A for apple. B for ball. C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
Elephant.
F for fish. G for goat.
G for goat. Goat means bakri.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ink pot. J for jug.
J for jug.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for parrot.
P for parrot. That means so.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rat.
R for rat.
S for sheep.
S for sheep.
T for tree.
T for tree. T
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for watch.
W for watch.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Thanks for watching my channel Sonu Kids. Please like, share and subscribe.